Hello, welcome to 95 Skoda Guy. In today's video, I'll be showing you what happens to your air filter if you refuse to change it for a long time. So if you look at mine, I've been riding my bike for over a year and the air filter is filthy. If you can see, we have a lot of dust, there's oil, and it's a mess. It's a total mess. And the air filter is responsible for purifying the air that gets into the engine that enables combustion. So if you don't clean out your air filter or change it in due time, this is what happens. So let's get to it. To clean out your air filter is pretty simple. All you need is a screwdriver, and that's all. And all you just have to do is to remove the screws that are holding the air filter cover. On my bike, I have about 7 screws, so all I had to do was just to lose it with the screwdriver, and that's that. So I sped up this video here because I didn't want to waste anybody's time. Nobody's interested in looking at me lose my scooter. But it was a very fun process and it was pretty straightforward. So you can do this at home. All you need is a star screwdriver and you will be fine. So once I was done screwing it, all was left to do was to remove the cover, and that is the air filter. The whole thing is the air filter. Now, normally you're expected to buy a new one, but I don't have money and it's very difficult to see a new one in Nigeria, so I'll just clean up mine and get it in shape again so I can use it. So all I needed to clean it up was just a dry rag. I had to do that off camera, so I just cleaned the inside to remove the sand and the dust that was there. I also cleaned the air filter with a toothbrush. I just make sure it's as clean as possible. For those of you that have OCD, please, I know you might spend a lot of time here, but you don't really need to. And I advise you not to use water when you want to clean. Just clean it dry like that, it's fine. And all you just have to do after you're clean is just to assemble it back. So after cleaning all the old parts, I just assembled it the same way I removed it, or I disassembled it, and that's what you see in this video here. So I just put back the air filter into the casing and I covered it up. Then I screwed it back and we're done. So that's how to fix your air filter problem, and I advise you to look at your manual. That's the best way to know what to do on how frequent you need to change the air filter. But for me, I've been taking it for granted. But it's a pretty straightforward process. You can do it yourself. So for more videos like this, stay tuned to the channel, like, follow, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.